Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete Quickies. It's a new playlist I'm putting together. It's all about cooking tips, kitchen tips, food tips, and quick recipes. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll already get notified whenever I put out one of my new In the Kitchen with Pete Quickies. You're going to love it. Let's get to it. We're putting together a nice quick lunch or snack. Let's start off. We got some diced tomatoes. I'm using these nice little sweet Campari tomatoes. Love them all year round. Into our bowl. I just have one of those tomatoes in there. 2 leaves of basil, fresh, diced up. Into our bowl. Balsamic vinegar, about a tablespoon. Into our bowl. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. How simple is that? Give that a good mix. Oh, lovely. I got my avocado here, already split. It's nice and fresh. Now you can slice it up into cubes to make it easier for serving, but this is nice and fresh, ready to go. Simply put our mixture in. Oh. How's that? That, my friends, is an In the Kitchen with Pete Quickie. Well, thanks for joining me on another In the Kitchen with Pete Quickie. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos. You'll get notified every time I put out a new video or a quickie. Until next time, see ya.